Tournament edlala 1 million. I don't want to mention the name. 1 million rands. Do we have an under 10 tournament at 10,000 rand? If people are prepared to pay 1 million for seniors, are going to share the money. Abantwana banayo tournament at 10,000. Where we're going to identify under 11 that we are going to take to camp to say isafa inani le fanveli inala mashale inani. Let's take these boys from a month makuvalo ikolo. We're building from here a senior national team. Asinayo le nto le. But you go to tournaments, they pay 160, 275 all over the country. Amanye 300,000, but nothing for kids. A tournament under 13 or under 11 that is famous.
So this thing is not about development.
Yeah, it's about man.
Ego.
It's about man. It's about companies, babalekeli tax. We can call it that. Bese bayibiza social responsibility. Social responsibility kanjani?
Gambling.
Because we pay join lento wena uze nemali ufaka imali yokuthi nginibhadala prize money.
It is often at moments when the fans stop cheering where you get to find the authentic personalities of the stars of the days gone by. Today, HPNS Sports brings you another of your favorite ex-footballers. His name is Thabo Mabaso. He played for Mamelodi Sundowns as his first club, but was famously known as Unchebe at Amazulu Football Club. He'll introduce himself further. Donna.
Yeah, mchumani, hey, siyabonga mfethu. Noma silethe ama-TV mari siyabonga. Siyabonga mfethu, igama lami nguThabo Mabaso. Abantu abaningi bangazi ngoNtshebe. Ngadlalela iBhenoni, ngadlalela AmaZulu, ngadlalela iHellenic, ngadlalela iLeopards, ngadlalela iSundowns. Khulele School of Excellence. So football has been part of my life from day one. So siyabonga mchumani, it's an honor ukuzohlala nawe discuss igame.
It's an honor to have you out. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for honoring the invite. But mawuloku umention manje profile yamaklub owadlalele. What excites me is already sengine idea ukuthi izoba njani le session. Uhamba nayo and ngifuna uhambe nayo. So uthe mawugcina nge-introduction yamaklub wamenshina i-School of Excellence. I look at the School of Excellence today compared to the School of Excellence you were in, Donna is day and night. How was the school when you were there? What worked? What was special? And what is your general feeling about the state, your School of Excellence now? And what do you think is the reason?
Hey, Australian state, yeah, important. It's sad. It's really sad. The last time being a lapa, it's nothing compared to what I grew up in, man. Tina, we grew up professionally, like it was a professional place. You could see your dreams happening, nowadays you go there, uthola fields awakundwanga, and then abantwana they wearing uniform on Saturday. I mean, I used to have clothes for school and have clothes for matches and clothes just for casual. This weekend we're not playing, sitting around, and then we have clothes, so we're sitting around. But now the state is very sad. I don't know what happened. Maybe involvement, suffer into it. Take on over a private business, maybe caused the problem. But asiko sure. We don't know what happened there. But maybe kuzoba nabantu abazoyilungisa lento moving forward. Yes, asaphuma ama-player 1 or 2. Back in the day, thina besazi ukuthi 12, 13 players, end of the year would come out of that school, showcase noma kanjani. And good players, not just players. Players that can ply their trade in Europe. Nowadays, okay, we see the talent, we see the ability, but the environment is poor. And the football, the funny environment is sharp so that to develop a sharp. But the state match is very saddening as a School of Excellence.
And maybe to the viewer that wants to understand the differentiation yako, to what the school is now compared to his cutscene. Maybe you can easily, with your eyes closed, take us through the daily happenings of the school, what you went through on a normal day, and which players were in your team. Because I remember you played for the Dream Team, which was the biggest group at the School of Excellence, because it was to the subscriber, the Abebanama group, Abizwa, Makama different, and the Dream Team was the highest of the order in terms of quality at the School of Excellence. The man played for the Dream Team, and he will mention and take us through a day at the school with the players he played with in the Dream Team.
Yeah, a normal day, School of Excellence, you wake up at about 5:30, take a shower, 7 o'clock, breakfast, 8 o'clock school, 10:30 we knock off, first session, physical training in the morning. 11:30 we back, take a shower, go for lunch at 12, 1 o'clock you go back again to classes for 2 hours, 2:30 back to training, technical work, and then after Lapo, back to the dorms, shower, supper, and then from 7 till 8 it's homeworks. After 8 it's 1 hour TV. After that 9 o'clock is bedtime. Fortunately, I was the dormitory head boy, so I want to be balaliswa. So 9 o'clock I'm tired, so I'm going to sleeping. Unless gonna game a Champions League that overlaps on 9 o'clock, and then we'll ask the house father, okay, we want to watch. That's all. Other than that, routine. You start at 5:30, 9 o'clock each daily.
So it carved out what later would be very routine for you as a professional.
Yeah, it becomes second nature. No more fear of professional team, because we are used to learn to
among other players that went on to be big names, like I asked you, that were in the Dream Team, besides you, who went on to grace the PSL with aplomb and dignity for a good 6, 7, 8 years. Which other players were part of the Dream Team? Those that made it and those that didn't make it that could have?
The Dream Team was 100%. Everyone went to PSL. Pro Kumbi went to Pirates, but he started at Arrows. He played for Arrows, he played for Maritzburg City, but he ended up a captain at Pirates. Dylan Shepard went overseas. Lucky Maselesele, may his soul rest in peace. He went overseas, he came back to be a big name at Kaizer Chiefs. Gerald Sbergo is a team manager at Kaizer Chiefs today. Abu Bobo Mkawa went to play in Botswana, and then he came back. He's working for Prasa today. Who drive a train. Dream Team was 100%. Rowan Hendricks, China Masondo. Rowan Hendricks went overseas. He came back. He's running football in Cape Town. China Masondo went to Pirates. Unfortunately, we never watched much of him because Ipola at that time, if you're not physically strong, you can't play. Which I don't understand.
So the man was shortchanged.
Yeah, I was shortchanged. In short, it's not sure. But the Dream Team, 100% of the players went to professional level. Some went to Europe. Even the team following us, Yabo Pinar.
Nabo Ninja.
Yeah, that team there was worse. Most of them went straight to Europe. They all played trade in Europe up until they came back and played in South Africa. But they never played long in South Africa. They played for a short time and they left football. Some of them are coaches. Some of them are assisting in soccer. Some of them are big players who masters football, where I thought. So the Dream Team was 100% professional football. Even the coach that was coaching, he had a development at Sundowns, Usembat. So you see, the foundation, a Dream Team, laid the foundation for the whole School of Excellence, because generations after that, I want to be going to professional teams, and they were big players. Abo Sipombule, Abo Pegin Kambule, you count them, Steven Pinar, Sean Potgieter, Brett Evans, Dentlade. So the Dream Team laid the foundation, a School of Excellence. Where I thought the way it was run, we were in a professional setup. I would say Europe, but living in South Africa.
Because I feel a blueprint, scale has been diluted. Like you mentioned earlier, Guti, you cannot deliver if the environment is not conducive.
Exactly.
So if leza intwana azidli, ziyojima kanjani physical training zilambile?
Exactly.
Because your body need to be supplemented in order to receive conditioning, especially a physical. And if that is not happening, it's a problem. And your reasons, you said, are the private sector withdrawing from the school, which I agree with. But you also said you were the head boy, Yamadom.
Yeah.
Do you think your coaching career, since you are a coach now, was being carved out without you being aware? You were given leadership responsibilities as a kid at the school at the time, and now you are a coach who has to lead a group of boys that you hopefully want to see become professional. Do you think it was some sort of initiation?
Yeah, I got cool. Most of the guys who went to School of Excellence are involved in coaching or involved somewhere in admin airport, because we had video session. When football was not even famous, we did a video session. I was sitting in a video session, studying my position. This is how you apply yourself. And then you'll be asked, what did you see? So that already makes you a coach, because you're coaching your own destination already.
100%.
Yeah, so most of the guys, I think, by funde from Lapo and your coach, we took leadership. It wasn't necessarily because I'm a Tometriat boy who maybe wouldn't say to the guys, hey, Chance, Utona is not here, let's go to sleep. Other guys would take over if Utona is not there. Yeah, because now it's a norm for us. And the CIS learned to it. Yes, 7-0 when we play. We have more energy, we run longer. Like you gonna cohesion ending within a team, because it's not long as Katesi wants, Buang as Katesi wants, Lenda when they want. Like we do everything together. Sometimes football is not training. Football is about cohesion. Uklala nonke. Just uklala ni group ni nonke, ni interact. Sesiyazi ubani ubehave kanjani, ubani ukwazi ukwenza ini. And then my figure grounding leyo iyasivelela leyo application. So leyo cohesion was important for us. In junior national teams, we might have the best players, but without cohesion, abantwana bahlangana 3 days before playing, and then we expect miracles. It won't happen. In other countries, boys, they go to camp for a month, they sit there together, and then come back, go to their teams. By the time batsiyodlala in, we are ready. Sichwayelene, sihlala sonke mostly. So thina leyo nto isize kakhulu empilweni. Even now, Amachita, we still interact, we still have time together to say, and then we'll be there together. And once you see us there, you think it's Lala Sisonke every day, but this thing was developed, it's Sasebangan.
So you never lost the identity, your brotherhood.
Next.
It's authentic.
Yeah.
Actually, yama play PSL ukwenzelana ifavor ukuthi outyam mawusasena something mawungasena fokol
Bakushiya kanjalo.
ngibona umudabi awokha adlule emangalani.
Yeah,
why bungami umlift?
Yeah, kwenzakalani ngoJomo sekayahoka manje. Akusile le School of Excellence ile ukuthi sibona uBobo kuphi ku-budget nimbona kwenzakalani ngoBobo, asihlanganeni sobona uBobo ukuthi what's happening, asitshele yini problem. Maybe sikwazi ukum-assista if siyakhona ukum-assista laba baseyindaweni ezigrand. Okay, chance thina somsendela inyuku untanga ahlanganisa abe right, uyayithola
Without charging him.
yeah. So thina isikhule kusho ukuthi sithandana. Yes, there were fights because obvious masa ama-boys isitele endaweni esisonke kuzodliwa, ngeke kuhlale kungaliwa, ubani uzodelela bani and then izosuka. But it wasn't personal. Ila ma-fight ukuthi sidelelene 2 minutes iphelile and then siye training. It's like it never happened.
And it dilutes the tone you're questioning him, because I was immediately preparing ukuthi mawuceda la ngizokubuza something else, but you touch on an important component ukuthi we were boys in that structure. I see lately there's this gouge of coaches taking advantage of intwana zamachita that are housed in all sorts of places. Uze bathi kune academy edrobheni, ama flat, intwana ibhatala 3,000 a month, but ucoach ugibela abantwana. And I don't think it's covered enough, or awareness is being raised. Ukuthi, can you please look into these unqualified coaches that are masquerading as development academy directors, bakibeli intwana and sodomizing them and doing all sorts of funny things? Do you think it should be allowed? Does SAFA pay enough attention since you are in an environment espanang intwana?
Yeah, yabona ke le yalama academy, I have a serious problem now. Because I grew up in an academy where I didn't pay anything. I was only taken for my talent and given everything. So I have a problem when you say Urani Academy and you ask people to pay to play football. What is it that they say by patadela? Because if you do academy, you need to get sponsorship. You need to write a full proposal and explain to people with money. Guguti, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 for kids. This is my platform. This is my channel. After kids are going there and there. You look at Stars of Africa. Who's paying a Stars of Africa to play football? And then people come here and say they are running academies and tell parents to give them money. It's extortion. They are supposed to be arrested. Where in the world, we can go all over the world, where in the world where they say academy and then kids are paying?
Real Madrid to keep up.
Yeah, you have to pay 10,000 to play soccer. You are identifying a talent and given everything to nurture your talent for the country to benefit. Not the other way around, it's benefit to Muntu. At the end of the day, my kid doesn't end up anywhere. But I already paid you more than 30,000. So you are a thief. You are a thief, stealing parents' money.
They still have to buy boots about 3,000.
Exactly.
Because football is not a cheap sport anymore.
So once again, I'm a custodians where football, will they come in and suffer? It means they're not taking care of football.
They are irresponsible.
Yeah, they're not taking care of football. Their interest is not football. You cannot say you're taking care of football, but you pay football at the bigger level.
Bafana.
Lama players who are pilawa. Went they 11 before, or 9 or 6.
Yeah, and uyabona manje so far mina kulento yakho bengingasi plan yami. And they need to have somebody who's on watch for these bogus academies. Ukuthi, where are they? Why are they there? Why are they happening? Ukuthi abantwana ba ku-extortwa inyuku from abazali babo and kwenziwa all sorts of funny things ebantwaneni babantu that grow up baleki confidence of being a man. Ngoba umuntu sekabayenza whatever afuna ukubayenza yona. So iSAFA makungana national team edlalayo, what is their role as a mother body? Do they not go around looking for discrepancies like this? What is the story with our football team?
Hey, you have a serious problem. Number one, in LFA, there's no scouts. You watch it under 17 national team. I'm a player Puma Kaizer Chiefs, Super Sport Pirates.
So
how many players are there in South Africa at under 17 level that are not getting an opportunity because we are lazy to put people out there and say, Ozani Season Fundisa, Nibe Ama Scouts, and Nibe all over the country and take care of the talent.
What
are they doing, those cars? I mean, I've been playing LFA for the past 9 years. I played the LFA, I'm a 14-year-olds. None of my players was identified for under 17. But it's not the issue. I'm complaining. Maybe they were not ready.
No, but it's the truth.
But other teams who had good players, what happened to them?
So how many of you, Don, are still in this current moment taking a very, very important risk of playing 14-year-olds at high intensity, high level football when people are scared to throw kids in and give them opportunities? You are putting 14-year-olds out there. What does it do to a kid's development? What does it do to your frustration as a coach when you don't get the necessary results? Maybe it will also get us to a point where it explains your reason why you are doing what you are doing.
The problem with us in South Africa, we are more result-orientated. As aspiring improvement. You cannot want results. Ngento building in 6 months. Like in saying it, if football is not noodles, it's simple. You don't come there ufake microwave kudume bese uthi ngiyawina. Siyalindwa, we
Star.
wait, siba patient. You will lose money. If you're running it from your own pocket, you will lose money just to see 2 players succeed. And you'll have 10 players abazohamba bayosebenza abane-discipline who will go there and work and take care of their families. But it doesn't mean man coach abantu abayi-20 everyone will be successful in football. It doesn't mean that. It's just ukuthi it's create environment yokuthi sibe ne-better generation yamajita. If siba ne-lucky abayi-10 bayadlala ibhola, then you are very lucky. But it's very rare ukuthi yenzakale kanjalo. So eSouth Africa asibhekanga improvement, sibheka ukuwina manje. Hence abantu bayenzana ebholweni, uyafika ebholweni ubheke in isisu sakhe akana interest yabantwana. Ufuna iwini ku under 11 uchika abantwana ungena phakathi kweground uthuka abantwana ku under 11. Labantu bafundisa nini ukutrapper? Ubafundisa nini ukuthi kumiwa kanjani? Njengoba wena sowufuna iwini. So izinto sidevelopa thina late. Hence ama-player wethu ngabo-23 bathi youngster.
Hey ndoda.
Mawuthi uyabheka kwamanye ama-country, there's a player na-19 who has already won World Cup, who has already won what, has already won
Captain i-national team yakhe.
Exactly. Sekukhulunywa ukuthi uhamba kubo-60, 70 caps ku-senior national team. Because the development was done properly at an early age. We cannot be going emagroundini ngiyobukela i-under 11 idlala i-full ground. Bafika nini epaleni labantu badlala 15 minutes.
Hey, uraise enye point eserious ndoda yokuthi bangincanda ngathi angikho grand ekhanda manje ubukela i-junior football ekasi ukuthi why kungasondezwa amapalo or ba-createlwa amapalo wabo abancane.
Exactly.
I-size yebhola dona
Like,
wrong.
I-wrong. Silala
Udlala
ngo-size
isintwana
5.
under 11 nge-size 5.
And size 5 kuphela, size 5 kuphela. Kick off.
Mikasa.
Idlula abantu abadala ukuyikhaba. And then you expect ama-under 11 ayikhaba. And then the next thing uzothini. Intwana mayicala i-develop iba na-15. It means ayicoachwanga yithi iyazenzela ngokwayo i-God given talent because ama-player coachiwe thina siphuma khona espacini se-development la sicoachwe khona siyayazi ukuthi mawudevelop ubanjani.
That's why I was nebhola ukuthi mele lipontshwe lifike phi.
Exactly.
Ngoba you weren't only taught how to play football, you were taught the equipment, the
uyafika
tools.
manje uyayehla etekisini udlula egroundini umuntu uroundisa abantwana eground under 11 baround iground. We are going to blame this guy for that. Meanwhile, Cinemara Body, who's supposed to be managing all these things.
Because I don't think coach ewazi ukuthi msunu wakho entwaneni will understand you mawumchika mara uyi-opposing coach.
Kuyaliwa.
Uthi ndoda umntwana umuntu lo okumele umtreat njengowakho wena umgigabeza ngenkunzi malanga enhlamba.
But you're not only a coach lapha. You are a father, you are a brother, umalume, uyo yonke into. Mina I see kids that come every weekend. Umntwana akana sikhaftini akadlanga. Uwazi ama-game ama-junior sanjani. Phela ama-juniors athanda ukudlala. You will play one match bazothi coach asidlaleni nalaba futhi. Asidlale uzothola ukuthi under 11 sesidlale 4 games in one day because bafuna ukudlala. And then that guy akadlanga ekuseni. From ekuseni akadlanga that man. Uzofika endlini futhi kune-challenge yokudla.
And with due respect to what you are saying now, it worries me ukuthi who takes care of you, Donna, for all the sacrifice. What does it do to your inner self? Ukuthi you have to deal with imedi erasel ukuthi usema grounding every day after a career that spanned more than 10 years and a life that started at the School of Excellence where you stayed there. Is there even a human being left in you?
Ikona, part of it ikona. It's there, but it's not. You'll have challenges vele makuze entweni zasendlini bazocomplain just with mele ube ne-lucky sometimes ube ne-family ethanda ibhola. If awuna family ethanda ibhola then you are in serious trouble because uzohlala u-change abantu, like you'll never have umuntu straight. Uzohlala uxabana nabantu uzo-end up useluyi-one eventually because even your kids bayakubalekela because ubaba akahlala endlini. Masifuna ukuhlala nobaba, my daughter says if ufuna ukuhlala nobaba uzomela uye emagroundini because umntanga uhlala semagroundini every weekend. So asisitholi isikhathi naye. The only time mawufuna ukuhlala naye, it means mele ube naye every day of the week, then ke uzohlala naye. But we can't, le ndoda angeke uzuyithola mayibuye ikhathele. Ekseni ivukile futhi ngo5 iseyilungisa amajezi iyacoca iyaphuma iyahamba. So kumele ube nelakho ube nefamily understand ukuthi uthanda ibhola naye ilithando uyayithola, because kithi akusasukuthi sesiyalidlalisa sekuwukuthi sibheke into eziningi, sesibheke nokuthi intwana zingawele intweni ezirong, okay le inetalent maybe izoshintsha isimo sakubo uyayithola, sibheke okuningi
ukuthi ngagaya ilokishi lethu hope.
Asabheka ngecoaching phela, sesibheke into eziningi lapha in between. Maybe abanye bayacoacha because it's coaching, 49 it's no longer coaching, it's mentoring manje. Yeah, it's mentoring of the highest level, because we don't only coach football, it's coach and a lifestyle. Ukuthi endoda wami ekuleni ngo7 kwenzakalani, ihomework ibhalwe ngosikhathi bani, umile icathulo zipolisho bani mawumela, umele nenhleke emakhuleni, hamba endlini uyabona manje. So i-street committee ugada abantwana estradeni, awusasena ucoach,
so ile time eLkenya.
Yeah, so into eziningi, but ke ezisurvivile zizokutshela ukuthi hey awuntanga usizile phela namhlanje ngiyasebenza eJohannesburg Hospital ngeadministrator, even though I never played football. Zikhona ke zisebholweni zihlele endaweni eziright, sekuwukuthi zimele nazi ichance yazo ukuthi zibe ne breakthrough, but ziyatshela awu coach usizamile mina ngine team every time kuzokhalwa endlini ukuthi enot wena usikhulumisa udlala usefonini. And every time i-discussion yakho ye-football nama-player uzokhuluma ne-player 1 hour wena ungasinaki la endlini. Ngibatshele hey phela nina ngihlala nani uyayithola. Labantu ndoda omunye kubo abamazi nokuthi yini. Abanye bathengelwa yimi ama-toiletries. Ngayiphi imali Joe? Each man, where do I get money mina? Uyayithola le nto le.
Mhlawumbe wina ama-tournament.
Ama-tournament, because mawuwinile i-tournament kune-issue yokuthi abantwana kumele bagibele i-transport, kune-issue yokuthi ibhola liyaphela phela silale ebhucwini. Ongeke ukuthi imisa abantwana abayi-30 ngebhola eliyi-1 and then we expect ama-results are right. It's a serious problem. And lezi zinto zikhona can be catered for. Sekuwukuthi abantu ekumele bayenze leyo nto leyo abayicabangeli abantwana, bazicabangela bona and their stomachs. Forgetting ukuthi they are destroying. Yabona mina, for mina, my opinion right now, if football in South Africa is in a sad state. Uyabona mediocrity is another word. It's a sad state to even go ema-grounding. Uyobukela ileague ye-LFA, it's sad job. Like kuba worried ukuthi enhleke kudlalwa ini la enhleke.
Enhleke yazi mawuringa kanje. I recently took time out ngabheka yonke documentation engiganarile kuma coaching course and the different coaches I've worked with. I decided let me create an aspiring coaches handbook. Ezosiza some of the people not ukuthi ngenze rich. No. Ezonceda umuntu asave impilo yomntwana abantu, because umuntu ushayisa intwana ena 9 isquad.
Cabanga.
Angazi ukuthi manje i-muscle growth yalentwana is being denied an opportunity. Ngoba lentwana by the time is 14 uyamangala akabi mude because ulokhiwe manje. Sekanabanye abo-V that deny him the right element ye growth. But uthe futhi Donna ibhola liyaphela esijima ngebhola eli1. Mina ngayithatha ngayichange le part ethi ibhola liyaphela. Mina ngithi ibhola liyaphela Donna kamampela, because there's a new guy in town called Tournament Development Football. Where do you stand?
Yabona ke leyo like hey. Yeah, it's fine. Let's have the tournaments, ne? But how much money has been spent on that? Let's count in a year. Kune tournament edlala 1 million. I don't want to mention the name. 1 million rands. Do we have an under 10 tournament at 10,000 rand? If people are prepared to pay 1 million for seniors, are going to share the money. Abantwana banayo tournament at 10,000. Where we're going to identify under 11 that we are going to take to camp to say isafa inani le fanveli inala mashale inani. Let's take these boys from a month makuvalo ikolo, we're building from here a senior national team. Asinayo le nto le. But you go to tournaments, they pay 160, 275, all over the country. Amanye 300,000, but nothing for kids. A tournament under 13 or under 11, that is famous.
So this thing is not about development.
Yeah, it's about
It's about
money.
ego.
It's about money. It's about companies, babalekeli tax. We can call it that. Bese bayibiza social responsibility. I-social responsibility kanjani?
I-gambling leyana.
I-gambling. Because we pay ukujoyina lento, wena uze nemali, ufake imali yokuthi nginibhadala i-prize money.
And people get it
We don't
twisted.
have a problem nalokho, ne? We don't have a problem. It's okay, do it. But ningakhohlwa ukuthi in order for a country efana nathi esizibuza i-footballing nation sibe successful, kumele kucalwe ku-foundation. Kumele kucalwe le. Asinayo league under 17. We don't.
So ufuna intwana ivele seyivelele ivumbuka.
Yeah,
But hayi kunentwana esestrategi sesitri yashisa.
ukhona umalume banibani or ucoach
Utaba.
umzerewa or ubani or coach banibani uzakhulisa abantwana bese mina ngiyazithathela maseba right.
And then
After lapha bathi holy next yena. Still abantwana laba abasele bazodlala ngejezi engathi rock. Kuanda 11 umntwana ubamba isikhindi ngapha uyadlala. Like it's disappointing.
It's sad.
For a country that is called a football nation, it's disappointing. And then abantu bahleli in offices, they calling themselves custodians. Oh, it's very poor. Kusho ukuthi abobaba banganabantwana bazama ukungitshela lokho. When uyafuna umntwana akadlala ibhola kanjani? I don't think their kids. Yeah, I don't think their kids play football like that. I don't think so. It's very sad, Jomo. It's very sad. And the most ukhuluma lezinto uba victimized. Kuba ngathi ukhuluma into embi kanti you talking the truth. Into eyenzakalayo, it's facts.
A country to Donna denies people like you and me into the right structures, not because we do not want to inflict change, or it's because uwenza abantu uncomfortable. I will add a Portia Modise into that equation because it's a person I've had a chance to speak to, and all she's passionate about is seeing positive change in our football, but it's being deemed as umuntu ohluphayo, uyitrouble, okhuluma kakhulu. And this word has become some issue that I don't want to be a part of, ukuthi ubani uyahlupha, because they voice out their honest feelings about the game of football. That is why today I will tell you for free, ukuthi when we played, Donna, you had a situation where Mani Zodlala and Dynamos, you prepared to play a team that plays the ball on the ground and can cause problems for you. You did not have individuals you worried about. I can ask you now, a team Mayodlala no Pirates, who is the man to look out for?
Kanjani Pirates is a well-oiled machine lapha wonke umuntu dangerous ku Pirates. That's how football is supposed to play.
Exactly.
I recognize Mina Pirates. I'm a Chiefs supporter, but I recognize how Pirates play.
I'm sorry.
I would rather watch a Pirates game than watch a Kaizer Chiefs match, because the Pirates now lama element we culture yethu. There's entertainment, there's discipline when they need to be disciplined. Ikhona le nto ukuthi sesiyafoster manje silifuna ngenkani. That's how our football is played. Sikhule siyibukela idlalwa kanjalo.
Do you know why? It's because phansi le kwenziwa lento eshoyo.
Exactly.
And I know for a fact bengiphakathi. It's thorough development 101.
Yeah.
Akuna shortcut ukuthi sizokukhulumela nobani.
Ukuthi akufake. Hayi,
Lima,
mafaka
90 million mfethu. Lima, grind. Let's see.
Kuyahanjwa kulanda player le strategy. Kuthiwa nangu untanga siyambona ngathi khontazana akeze ku structure esi right, anikezwe environment right.
The opportunity.
Yeah.
But why are other clubs not following this setup of having a situation where ama development wabo are right? Angikuphandeli span. But a lot of people don't know where you've been. Luckily, they'll find out today ukuthi what you've been going through. You've just mentioned the challenges zokucoacha intwana ngediskeli one, and you've always made it clear ukuthi you are not going to go knocking ufunana nespani ebantwini abangafuni umuntu ofuna ukusebenza
Kanjani? Uzoyenza kanjani?
For many years ifootball yethu Donna wena uthi izohlala nje because people like you are sitting here unemployed at the right structures.
Obvious, la ngithi kusetshenziswa ngamaphepha namhlanje. And then I ask this question. Utazibani ohamba nabantwana the whole holidays. Abathengela ama-keep ne-sweet 8. Abacoach kuze kuphume istar. Uyithatha kuphi 4,000 ekuyobhadalela i-D license? Where does he get that money? Must expect ukuthi abe ne-D license. And then mota kubo C kukhulunywa ngabo 6-7,000. Mawukhuluma ngabo B bakhuluma ngabo 20-30,000. Utazibani ocoach under 11 okhulisa abantwana. Where will he get that money?
Just to put the face, the name in the face, Utazix
Yeah, where will he get that money?
or Utamdu.
Akulo ukuthenga ijezi. Abantwana babamba ikhindi wena umfuna i-3,000 yokuthi afunde course. I still complain if football education kumele bakunikeze i-foundation. Abotazibani kumele babizwe kuthiwe no i-course izongena eshawele eholweni ngevikeli so nizofundiswa mahala sesikunikile i-foundation yokuthi uyofuna i-3,000 so ne-D. Hayi ukuthi sithi uyofuna i-D wena ngemali yakho. Ngapho hamba nabantwana awukhona ukubanikeza ukudla egroundini nishare ama-keep babakolekayo kuyakolekwa niyahlanganisa. Thenga ithulo ofnyana nama-chips niyancenga nabantwana.
Which is not the right adequate diet
Exactly.
football. Mara ngeke udlisa intwana.
But if i-football ama-custodians bewayilandela kwamampela ibhola lama-setup awekho because kunalezi zinto zokuthi abantu baphiwe ukudla mahala. That could be done to kids as well in matches. Because ibhola lethu lizohamba kanjani? If i-LFA yasedobsonville amagame akhona adlala endaweni so a certain company would be asked to under 11 we've got so many players registered, can you please bring food for the kids? How many players will want to play football if the environment injalo? Angeke ngiye groundini mina ngiyolamba the whole day. Ngcono ngidlalele lapha phambi kwegate la ukuthi mangilamba ngene ejardini. And then mothi uyabheka manje of late most yabantwana ba prefer ukudlala estradini than ukuyojimela i-team. Because ba-avoida in uzofika lapha nginama-cox kumele ngidlale ngeteki weekend.
But now 370 abazali.
Abazali-ke abazali angifuna ukuyikhuluma abazali bethu uyazi banjani John, they only pay attention umntwana mase kune-attention. Once asahamba utazibani makathi bazali ngicela ama-R5 ngijoyine ileague ero report bazokutshela ukuthi abanamali uzohlala utazibani awokha nabantwana ngeenyawo ero report usayodlala lowo muntu.
Mabanisha 5 aniboni problem ukuthi le ntwana ziwokhe for 10
uyachikana
kilometers.
utazibani azathini hayi ngiyangidlisa nini. Forgetting ukuthi abantwana bayawokha ukuya lapho. Uyayithola le nto le. So ama-dynamics maningi that are not taken care of in development. We can count so many. And labantu abahleli kule ndawo ezi-right, they should be ashamed ukuthi bahleli lapho with no remorse and kwenzakala so ebholweni. They should be ashamed.
Bagqoke kahle
Yeah.
bana yonke equipment.
Mina ngine-right yokukhuluma mina because I take my own money and support kids go under 11 ukuthi uyodlala ibhola. Rightfully so ngine-right yokubatshela and they should listen when I talk because angiyikhulumisa ukuthi ngifuna imali from kubo ngithi akuphuma imali irun ama-LFA from an early age. Let's support kids. Let's go to Woolworths. Let's go to Pick and Pay. Let's talk to them. Steve Gates says we've got this number of players. Every weekend they are playing a league. We need you to bring food for these boys. We are told how many stars are we going to develop up? This country deserves to be part and parcel of my country. Abalwayo go knockout the World Cup because it's a footballing nation. Mina ngiba surprised abantu mabathi coach usqualify sile. Kanti qualify yini? We are supposed to qualify.
Happy ukuthi ngithole i-country edizi engekho excited ngokuwina because ayijwayelanga ukuwina. So into engizoyenza mangawina 3 ilandelelana
abantu ba-celebrate ngokomthetho in this country ukuqualify is not an achievement.
It's a must.
It's a must. Into ekumele yenzakale. If ayenzakale, that coach should be fired immediately. It means you're not doing your job.
Would you take him so amfaka manje asivele simcedelele, would you take him to the World Cup?
Coach, yeah, let's take him. Sekawenzile umsebenzi party for mina nje. We don't need that coach or tata 9 players from one team and 2 players from this team and call it a national team. That's not the national team. That's shortcut mentality. That's a guy stealing 1 million rand from South Africans. After la kuzoyenzakalani makahamba.
Because I don't think Hellman is being prepared to take over.
Exactly. Nangaphandle ukuthi Hellman is being prepared. Let's say those 9 players are off form. It means the national team idlala kabi. It happened in AFCON. Those players were not there. La we start the shortcut now. He tried the shortcut here, attack, yeah, Pirates.
Do you think?
Yes, it worked. They got us goals. But he attack midfield. Where was the midfield? Where was the defense?
Do you think we're not appointing local coaches because asifuna ukubakhafa, to be blunt, or they're not good enough to take us where we were promised we'd go?
As long as isathatha umuntu angaphandle azocolonize ibhola angeke sibe successful. I-football belonga kithi. Inabanikazi bayo. Nigerians will never get a coach from nowhere ukuthi azoba coach. Senegal, they developing in football. Our national team wabo they improving because they take a local guy
Morocco
and
the
give
same.
him a chance. Let's not put pressure on him. Let's give him a chance to coach the team. And let's give him time. Singa to coach the team bese simdlalisa nePanama. What are we gaining from Panama? I-league yasePanama kudlala bobani? Who plays in Panama?
Bangangisayina nami mina 43.
Usisina 50 bakulande bathi was we player. So we cannot be playing abo Panama and playing these countries meanwhile the cities funa ukuba well beater.
Because it's full winner.
We need to go there and get hammered by England. And look at how we got hammered. Look at the positives, look at the negatives. And then see from lapho, oh, it means medicine from development. Our players need to have this from an early age. Or Tina Swamba and a France guy one is and then run away from the big guns. See, I go World Cup, we're playing the big guns. I did say, to coach will be humbled. Because he's talking too much, he's not doing his job. You cannot say, Aufuna ma player, Aufuni this player, Aufuni this player, Auzanga ma player, wena. I'm a player of the country. You respect us as citizens of this country. You don't talk bad. I'm a player way to.
Who are still active, by the way.
Yes, you don't do that. It's fine. Keep quiet. Our phone. Keep quiet and select your team. Don't undermine our players. And then after Lapo, because you failed, you come back and say, Utama players wait, I want to experience Europe. Now I'm a player Europe. Why not call them? Why are you not calling them?
Yeah, and I mean, it doesn't only have to be a Europe. If the player is playing at the right level, I'd be direct and say, Uloch deserves to represent South Africa at the highest tournament.
Yes.
This upcoming World Cup, Ushia Uloch, auna influence.
Auna next, like you don't have anything.
Muntu intwana ezingarela kuye zithi ile senior player le elingathi malikhulunywa likhuluma limanyelwe.
And the playing influence awuyifaki because incane uthi incane umncane kuphi ebolweni lo umuntu awinisa iPirates week in week out imfaka asidlise it's okay asiyela ngiyowina kuAfcon siyela ukuyowina kuAfcon
yeah ngoba akaze la beka coach khona iWorld Cup ngeke uze uthi uzoyiwina ngathi. So give us the best of what we have.
Yes, leave us in a state yokuthi national team is improving when you leave. With the next coach that comes is building from somewhere. When the coaches is going to dismantle the whole team and start all over again. Bese bayibiza vision ban system yokudla imali phela leyo bayibiza vision ban yeah kudliwa imali nje lapho scam nje sokudla imali baza nento ukuthi sidla kanjani so uyabona ezinye izinto okay asina problem ukuthi who's there at the office staff but take care of football.
Your main source.
Yeah. Asina problem nokuthi uthatha imali nani. Take care of football. Yeah, yenza ngapha bese uthathe yakho uyabamba. It's okay. Siyayibona ngithi progress. Yeah. But this coach has done better. Clive Barker is the only coach who has won a trophy for Bafana. Who else has won a trophy? Ogo Bruce hasn't done anything, and it's fact. He has qualified. Coach Thomason qualified. We can count so many coaches qualified. He hasn't done anything. He hasn't done anything. We've been to World Cups.
for Inter
We've been to World Cups. That man hasn't done anything. Instead, to stifle ibhola lethu. We are stifled. We don't see the
show yami manje. Utshontsha show yami because sesikhuluma ngayo and
Hey,
manje hayi akame kancane
I'm
mfethu.
sure someone.
Siza kuwe
Simnikeza
manje.
chance ku World Cup
Siza kuwe.
uzokudila naye.
Lo coach Coach Bruce out my show. John,
Yeah.
you've played for a lot of clubs at the highest level. One thing I will never ask you is the quality and the standards Zama soccer clubs, because I don't think if you were at the School of Excellence,
Yeah.
any club in South Africa can get to that level
Angeke.
in terms of structure, organization, and professionalism.
Maybe Ajax.
Yes, but Ajax, club 2000, into a match, 99, 2000.
Maybe Ajax.
Out of all the clubs you've played for, what is your take out? Before I even ask you what yipi bengathi ngcono kuneyipi, kuwo wonke ukuphumela.
Hey, yabona nje level of paying in South Africa is very poor, Joe. Yabona if isidlala ibhola sinawo ama-million esihleli kanje mina now, it means the level of paying in South Africa is poor.
Kakhulu.
Yeah, phela i-talent yethu is not worth le mali lebe basibhadala yena, but it's fine basinikile ngaleso sikhathi.
Sure.
We don't have a problem nalokho. But the level of paying, in order for ukuthi uthole ama-performance right, iyabhadalelwa into. If ufuna ukuyomamela uDJ okhalisa ingoma kamnandi, bazokutshela ukuthi 450 ukungena.
Yeah, manje kule tavern next door now.
Yeah, bese uye next door ucanga ukuthi uzomamela into ephilile.
Ngoba uboleka nespeaker kimi.
Exactly. So izinto nje, if ufuna equality, you pay for quality, you invest in quality. Thina lento yoku-investa ngathi siyayisaba. Uyayithola. Okay, Sundowns is doing it, they investing. They got the results. But in football, slump angithi. They are going through a slump manje. Maybe it's the coach, maybe it's the players, maybe it's the management.
And I think it's the coach.
Uyayithola, but they're going through a slump. But nje i-take out game ebholweni, payment is poor. Mangathi uyalandelela amachita phaya. Sinazo iikipa zibhalwe ibongo but azisenzelanga next.
So as Messi, what's in the pen?
Azisenzelanga next. You go to other countries, you'll see professional footballers. Mawathi umuntu kwadlala professional football. You'll see the difference.
Oh,
You
okay,
will
interesting.
see. It's a huge difference.
Interesting. And
Ama-player ayanakekelwa. These players made sure ukuthi game was special. You need to take care of them. They're not ordinary citizens. They entertain people for days. They sacrifice their lives ukuyodlalela abantu each and every weekend. Under ama-condition wena ongawazi, omunye maybe uyalwa nemedi endlini, omunye maybe ucabene nefamily, but he went to the stadium ngo-3 and played his best football ukuthi wonke umuntu abe entertained. And then masambe estrateni sihlangana nabo sibabiza ama-legend ngani?
Anambile.
Ama-legend ngani? No structure was created. Ukuthi okay, gents maniyeke ibhola nasi structure enizosebenza under sona. Former footballers should not be suffering. Former footballers should be scouts, should be coach, should be administrators. Unfortunately, ngeke siba abo coach sonke.
100%.
And angeke siba abo coach be professional football sonke. Kona bazoba coach we development, kona uzoba analyst, but lezo indawo kumele zibe nama former players. Uyayithola. And the platforms should be created ukuthi kube kanjalo. Asitho omunye umuntu ongazange adlala ibhola kumele angabe khona. Yes, kumele abe khona naye. But ke former players should get more preference. Uyayithola.
Umenier. Center.
Yeah, uyacoacha isikole uphethe ibhola.
Uyareva. Ugqoka ibhruko le straight cut
Yeah.
ne Crockett and Jones.
Yeah.
Uphethe ifone endlebeni.
Yeah.
Intwana zinavigator around yena because it's not moving.
Exactly.
Umenier, when I, for example, ngihlala eShawela, so I walk past that environment. Now, mele ngistope uhambo lwami, ngingene esikolweni, ngikhiphe Umenier center.
Exactly.
Ngithi ngono ukho urefe ume line
Eceleni.
Now, le ntwana lezi iroute yazo yokuya emapalini is longer because you are just standing here. Uphethe ifone endlebeni. One, disrespect for this game that gave some of us so much. Ufake straight card nehembe lakho lobukhazikhazi.
Ushaya sport.
And then there are no other Gerald Mutabis coming out of Shawela. And then we have a problem ukuthi it has taken 30 years. The Snake Park, Abu Sonwabo still haven't fully kicked in. Sigcina ngawe. What is the problem?
I-problem yiyo le ngokutshela ngayo. Abafuni uku-invest ebholweni labantu laba. Do you think eShawela kumelanga ibe khona i-team ye-ABC Mtsipe? How many businessmen are there in Shawela?
Usathi businessmen bakhe bathi nyaphapha ngibuza i-question basic. Ngathi for more than 20 years eShawela iya kuphi i-budget ye-sports?
Exactly.
Because akuna ground lotshani, akuna mapala alayitayo.
Akuna next.
Akuna beep.
Akuna next.
So for 20 years, whoever in charge for his sport or councillor should ba create ama project emakamereni.
Esingawazi ukuthi abenefit abantu.
I-project should sport i-sex ngoba should uphana ngaleyo mali because if nothing is happening, akuna netball, akuna swimming. We can't keep hoping ukuthi our next stars will only be footballers.
Ithi ngikukhombise lento le ingakhona. iShawela ingakanani? eGroote. Kumele eShawela kube nomuntu ontswembu ngeacademics ophuma from ku budget yeCouncil. Kumele kube nentwana eyazi chess eShawela. Etswembu ngechess kuthiwe hey intwana ihamba amazwi yakuphi kuphi. Kumele kube nentwana edlala iTennis because ibudget yesport. And hayi ukuthi abekho abantu abafuna ukuzicoacha lezo zinto. Bakhona just ukuthi ama platform okuzenza weko. How many businessmen are there in each and every location that can support these initiatives?
Mara ngithi kunama gatekeeper dona laba abasebenza ukuthi mawufuna ukukhuluma no councillor uyibiza umsebenzi yena lento leyo umfunela.
And then it means again
umfunelani yani ndoda ngoba ngidlule ku security wena sowuthathe irole nawe sekweyakho.
Yazi mina ngithini ke makunjalo. It means kwayena ucouncillor doesn't even know his job. Forget about the gatekeepers. Akunamuntu ongakustop ukuthi uyenze into uyiposition yepower. If ufuna kusho ukuthi nawo ufuni ukuleyo page ukuthi eyangenze lento le tournament yokwenzana le mali le hayi awuthi sharing la office abame kancane nalento yokushare is destroying the nation. Kids are falling into drugs. Mina ngikutshela ngakubalela 10 or 15 players ebengiwacoach abalekile egyming yiyo angikhombela itaxi.
Hey when at least
angibiza malume mina ngimbiza ngegama nesibongo.
When at least unelaki mina nginelaki ukuthi into lesisipana nayo la ekhaya mangena la ethi yaseKasilam Shaw Gerald Shaw Grootman, that's the best I get. Ekasi intwana ezothenga eshop rekuleni isemva wakho ayikubona ukubona ithi ekawu uyathenga uruwenzana.
Yeah.
Bese uyathenga phela ukuthi hey madoda kwenzakalani
like
manje mawubheka is so stoned angakushana ngepunch. Because akana activity.
Exactly. No activities ekhasi. Ayike emfana uyabona lento ibhlungu le. Uyazi uNkulunkulu ngathi angangipha imali ngibe nemali eningi.
Ayimara ngathi uzoxosha amakula akuqala wena iproblem.
Ngeke ngoxosha amakula. Amakula they running their own businesses because thina asifuni ukwarana ama business noma siba nawo siba lazy uyayithola. So mina ngifuna imali ukuthi ngichange impilo ye-environment yabantwana.
Influence.
Uyayithola leyo nto leyo ngifuna leyo mali mina ukuthi manje eShawela ngikutshela ngithi eJobe yazi eShawela ngicabanga ukuthi senze ilanga nje cultural kunama sports wonke usikhipha imali kube nama trophy kube mnandi abantwana iyenzakala so if isikole ukubuild league ye-netball isibuild eyaseshawela eyasesnake park eyasezolo eyakuphi sisibuild lezo zinto sibe nemali yokwenza kanjalo. Manje uzothi uyazikhuluma lezi zinto bakubuza ukuthi uzayithatha phi imali engaka.
Before sivala Dona ngoba nami ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele ngiye ekhaya ngine problem ukuthi la ngihlala khona kudliwa ngesikhathi and imedia manga afika ngesikhathi ikhiya la isinkwe esibekwa khona. So engizoba nejive next door uyocela isinkwa abathi amari bekadlala ibhola mos. Mele kuzomela ngivale at some point, but before ngivala ngifuna ukunderstand from wena ukuthi what is it you'd like to see happen with our grassroots football because ile environment okuyo and is sensitive kakhulu to where we want to go as a nation.
I-change meaning like labantu abaphethe ibhola they need to go out there. Ama sponsors akhona ayafuna ukuyikhipha imali but imali kumele manage kahle. They need to go out there get sponsors. We cannot say sizowina if sizoyisa abantwana ababhlungu. Uwina kanjani inhliziyo zabantwana zibhlungu? That is why labantwana baziplayeli one esquadini umfukeng
Really?
akayazi team yonke. We understand ukuthi problem enjani le?
Uma khopha bamazeli ukuthi kwenza kahle.
Yeah, uyajayi babayazi team yonke. These young boys need to know ukuthi mangikhula so hey na indawo lapha and iyakhiwa la. We need to have development centers, Shawela, Zola, all over the country. Under a mother body, where players are identified from LFAs and say, Ntwan, when we write for Gutube squad in Salah. School football needs to come back. Angikhulumi nge-K Mutsipe. K Mutsipe is an individual tournament. I'm talking about school football. La kuzoselect i-Southern Transvaal team ihambe iyodlala ne-KZN idlale nani sibona ama-player
Kudlalwe ukuthi kunentwana ngapha bathi umambeshe.
Exactly.
Yenza amasimba Wednesday.
Exactly, yeah.
Usuka Snake Park
Ngihambe ngiyoyibukela. Siyayifuna ibe back zonke lezo zinto lezo. And lezo zinto zifuna i-corporate. I-corporate kumele ikhulume nobani? Nama-custodians.
And ama-custodians akusile abantu abaspana nabo abafuna ukubha ikari efana neyakhe.
Exactly.
Yilabo task bani ukuthi babize ubahlanganise.
And then I require imali eningi wawe. I require imali eningi. I require maybe funding about 200,000 to play one season school football and then the next season 200,000. Maybe singathola funding ye 2 million for the next coming 10 years. Just to go to spend an identification. But if it's not talent identification, it means the national team will suffer. Already suffering because it's Dala player in 91, 92, where in South Africa, the national team is Dala.
And the lami into engafuni safari besides indaba yesinkwe esifihlwayo i-conscience yami I would be angry with myself if I get home and lie to my partner and say ngine show but ishow yami I inflict a change or influence a positive. So with that said, into this camera you've played for a number of clubs including Amazulu.
Yeah.
Amazulu has a wealthy chairman who, whether you played for him or not, but he's got pockets that have no debts.
Yeah.
Unending debt. Ukuthi imali yakhe kubhobokile iyayehla number of companies. Into this camera, speak to Sandile Zoom and explain ukuthi what are these challenges ofacana nawo indaba zeimali, support in general. Yesimo okuso manje. Because I feel Amazulu, that's where you gave everything you have in terms of your energy and ability.
Besides Mr. Sandile Zung, okay, we can see he's doing a lot for the team. But do not forget the guys that kept the team running. Because ufike team it very core. Amachita before. They put their hearts out there and fought for the team. So let's not forget them. If we go to channel you go empower, as well empowering Amachita, and it doesn't mean Meragubabo coach. You can be an administrator, you can be a scout, you can be an agent, you can be whatever. Let's empower the guys. We thought ukuthi babe nempilo different bazokwazi ukuchange ama communities abahleli kuwo, because if you are not empowered uzosaba na ukhiphe yakho thina siyikhipha ngoba siyayithanda lento asinawari sesijwayele vele isegazini ukuthi sikhiphe imali ukuthi kuyodlalwa ibhola sidlisa ama play it's fine bayakhula uyayithola lento le. So around the area yakhe siyabona uya-assist ngama-development, but do not forget the players that played for the team and the people that worked for the team before. Let's also empower them so that bazokwazi ukusiza abanye now. And not talking to him only, to all the chairmen abakhona ePolweni, whether ABC Mtsipe, whether go around your area, assist whoever that you know that played the game before or Rutandi came to that level. Uyayithola lento le ukuthi azokwazi ukuletha i-contribution better to i-game, sizokwazi ukuba nabantu abaningi abane-knowledge so that sizokwazi ukwenza into right, because currently into right ayenzakali. You are in trouble, you are in serious trouble, and asikakayiboni sizoyibona the day i-stadium sisele ngabantu abayi-2 kula sizobona khona ukuthi we in trouble manje uyayithola. So asiyilungiseni, it's not a problem major. Ifuna i-funding, and i-funding ifuna i-responsibility, ayifuna abantu aba-reckless. ungeke bathi sikunikeze 2 million abantwana wena udle 1.8 ushiye 200,000
uhamba ngeFerrari shawela
mara udlala ngathi bafowethu. So asilungiseni to everyone who involved in the football. If football is our thing, USA ba change impilo ngama athletics abo NBA. Tina South Africa rugby has already taken center stage.
Number one sport,
Iyasondela nayo. So let's fix our football so that we have 3 things that can change the environment within black kids, and not only black kids, in all races. Uyayithola le nto le. So asizamini.
So when I said HPN Sports raw, and I said huge, and I said honest, this is exactly what I was speaking about. Ladies and gentlemen, Thabo Mabaso in the house. It doesn't get better than this. Maskhuluma ngepassion. And if you have at your location or your township a guy that is as passionate as this man, don't ignore people like this. Don't start ukhuluma izinto ezidakiwe zokuthi ufuna ukuvuka ngathi. Uvuka awiswe yini because he played the game at the highest level. And we're trying to create texts that are necessary for a person that is desperately trying to change impilo zabantwana benu that you've neglected in favor of alcohol and spending time with your friends. Let's make sure we contribute in the change yempilo zabantwana bethu. My name is Gerald Mutabi. Cheers.